Well, here we are again, folks. The tree planters at thetreeplanters.com, highlighting and videoing trees. And this one is foxtails. You see all those foxtails up by the house. 2 foxtails right there framing the house from a certain view, and a couple more in front of the dock. Take a look at that. Foxtails freeze in Central Florida. This is Central Florida. We're on Lake Winterset on the chain of lakes in Winter Haven, Florida. And we are truth tellers here. We want our customers to know if you want foxtails, they will freeze. However, we're on a lake. Lakes produce warm air on cold nights, and you can do things you can't normally do. Look at those big, giant royal palms at the house next door. Those are 50, 60 footers. We have those. You want royals that are big? Give us a call. Go to thetreeplanters.com. Reach out to us from there, and we'll make it happen for you.